Do you love noodles? We are making curry bihon, a traditional mix of our favorite rice noodles or bihon with the aromatic twist of a curry. So ito is very Singaporean inspired and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Now let's start cooking our curry bihon. So I have my veggies and aromatics ready. For my protein, I have chicken and shrimp. And for my chicken, I will simply season with a bit of soy sauce. Mix, 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 mix. And for my shrimp, I will season with just salt. Put it aside. Now I will prepare my sauce. Very simple. I will just dissolve my chicken cube in hot water, just crumble it, dissolve, dissolve, dissolve. Yeah. So this will give a lot of flavor, a bit of oyster sauce for color, and a bit more umami. Not too much. Sriracha, and a bit of sugar. So that will be the base of our sauce. I'll also add a bit of fish sauce. And that's ready. And to add even more flavor to our curry bihon, because we are using shrimp, fresh shrimp, I have put the shrimp heads aside. Ito. And I will smash to get all that flavor. And what I will do now is I will add a bit of my broth here, just a bit, to be able to collect as much of the shrimp juice as possible. And strain all the shrimp juice there. I have almost everything ready. Now I will scramble 2 eggs. Beat it. Yan. And set it aside. Hot wok, oil. And now I will saute my aromatics. I start off with my ginger, onions, garlic. You can really toast your shallots or red onions because it will give a very nice aroma. But for now, I will just saute it until it becomes translucent but still very aromatic. Now I will add my chicken strips, simply seasoned with a bit of soy sauce. Just wait for our chicken to cook. Now I will add my curry powder. It's nice to saute your curry powder because it brings out more of the flavor. Now I will add my vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, beans. Saute. Smells really very, very good. Now I will add my bihon. Soak bihon noodles until tender but excess liquid water drained out. So, mix natin. So what I will do now, I will just mix everything, give my bihon, my rice noodles, nice color. And now I will add my sauce, my stock preparation. Look at that. Everything dissolved. So simple, so easy to do. Let that simmer. Bring it to a boil. Let it cook the noodles. Let the noodles absorb all that goodness. Just letting the noodles cook through and absorb as much of the sauce as possible. So you notice I still haven't added my shrimp because I don't want my shrimp to be overcooked. Just stir our noodles. You can toss. You notice that my noodles are now, almost dry. No more liquid. Look at that. I will now add my shrimp. Just toss that to cook. Put my noodles to one side. And now, add my scrambled eggs. Let it set. And adding my spring onions as well. So I'm putting my wok to the side so that I scramble the eggs on one side. Black pepper. Stir. Just cook our scrambled eggs to the side. Scrape the bottom and toss everything together. It's going to be so delicious. Toss everything together. Look at that. Beautiful. And we are ready to plate. Look at that. So beautiful. Curry Bihon. You can even add more scrambled eggs on top as a garnish. Oh, look at it. Oh, masarap. Oh my God. Top with more spring onions, and you can add toge, and I am ready to help myself to this very delicious curry bihon. Now I'm ready to taste. Very nice. Look at that. Bango. And wow. It's like bihon you've never had before unless you've been to Singapore or Malaysia. But for Filipinos, this is something different. Oh. This is so good. And it's made with ingredients you can find at home or in just any grocery near you. But the thing is, when you taste it, it takes you to a different part of the world. Such a delicious addition to your list of recipes. Curry Bihon. Enjoy! Oh.